Hello everyone, how do you do? I hope you are fine. Let's start our math session for today. Open your math book and prepare yourself. Open your math book page number 697. Today we will continue with topic 13, equivalence with customary units. Write the date, Tuesday, March 31. Okay. And today we will talk about equivalence with metric units of length. Uh, During the last week, we were talking about equivalence of customary units of length, which we were talking about feet and inches and yard and so on. And yesterday, I told you that there is a difference between customary units and metric units. Customary units, it means these units, the customary units, only for the USA. Okay? They use it daily. But the metric unit, which we are going to talk about today, this is a global unit. This unit, the metric units, the whole world know it. The whole world use it. Okay, let's go. Open your book, page number 697. Write the date, Tuesday, March 31, and be ready. After today's lesson, you will be able to recognize the relative size of metric units of length and convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit as we have done already before. Okay, as usual, I have assigned here for you a song. Move your body a little bit with the song and memorize it to help you to remember the metric units of length. Okay, to start, what are the metric units of length? What are the metric units of length? At the beginning, I wanted to tell you again that the metric system of measurement is a system that most countries in the world use and agree on. I want to tell you it's not only the most, the whole world. In science, when we are talking, if you are talking only about science, so we use only metric units. But in math, we can use both metric units and customary units. The metric units of length is meter. The metric unit of length is the meter. And many subsets of the meter, like the millimeter or centimeter and kilometer, are used for scale. Okay, look at this scale. Where is the millimeter? This is a millimeter. Okay, and where is the centimeter? Let's say, as example, from 1 to 2, this is a centimeter. And how do we measure the kilometer? The kilometer, to measure it, you can see it on your daddy's speed, on your daddy's car. Okay, your daddy can show you how many kilometers he has driven this week, as example. So kilometer, to measure the distance between towns or districts or governments or whatever. Okay, okay. Now, what are the facts to convert the metric units? As we know, these are facts. These are facts. Okay, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. If you wanted to go back here and count, this is a centimeter. It has 10 millimeter inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 millimeter in a centimeter. Okay. What about the 1 meter? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. The 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Okay, we skip this. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters. And 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Again, the 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters. And the 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. What did you notice? I've noted that to work with the metric units, we only should multiply or divide by the multiples of 10. Because it's 10, 10, 100, 1,000. Yes, and she is right. We should only multiply or divide by 10. These are the multiples of 10. What is the smallest unit here? Aha, the smallest unit is this, the millimeter. Okay, let's back to the scale if you wanted to check again. This is the millimeter, and this is the smallest unit. Okay, let's continue. I have here put it for you in in a pyramid. 20 millimeter. This is the smallest. It's not like your nail, no, like the thick. How thick is your nail? This is the millimeter. How thick is your nail? This is the millimeter. Centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter times 10 because 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. We write millimeter as mm. Millimeter. This m, milli, and the second m for meter. Centimeter, we write cm. This is the c for centi and m for meter. Meters, we write only m. Kilometers, we write it km. Okay, again, so 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. 1 meter is a 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer is a thousand. Is a thousand kilometer. Okay, let's back to our lesson. Today we said you will find this table in front of you in your book. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Okay, and 1 meter is 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Let's explain how to convert between units. Okay, that's really easy. As example, if I ask you to convert 3 meters, we write 3 meters as 3m. 3 meters equal how many centimeter? Huh. If you want this table, I can show it to you here. Yes. Okay. You can see it here in front of you. 3 meters. How many centimeters? Begin with the end in mind. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So if 1 meter equal 100 centimeters, what I'm going to do? Yes, to multiply by 100. Great. 3 times 100 equal 300 centimeters. Great. And if I told you 4 and 2 over 5 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? Begin with the end in mind. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So to convert from centimeter to millimeter, you multiply by 10. That's great. I'm going to multiply by 10. Okay, I'm going to do it here. 4 2 over 5 times 10. Let's do it as we usually do. The whole with the whole, then the fraction with the whole. 4 times 10 is 40 plus 2 over 5 times 10, we multiply 2 by 10, the denominator with the denominator. 2 times 10 is 20 over 5 equal 40. The same, I know it's 40, no problem. And 20 over 5 is 4 exactly. So 40 plus 4 is 44. So one of you will say, Miss, this is as we did before. Yes, darling, we follow the same concept. To convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, what should you do? From a larger unit to a smaller unit, what should you do? Exactly, we should multiply. But when you change from a smaller unit to a larger unit, from the smaller to a larger unit, what should you do? Exactly, we must divide. Right. If I ask you girls for more one example, if I ask you 5 kilometers equal how many meters? Begin with the end in mind again. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 5 kilometers, what I'm going to do? To multiply by 1000. Okay. 5 times 1000 is 5000. Great, 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 great. Okay, that's good. Miss, what if we want to convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit? Like what? Like, Miss, what if I asked you 600 centimeters equals to how many meters? What we're going to do? The same concept, darling. When we convert, centimeter is less than the meter. So we are converting from the smaller unit to a larger unit. What should we do? Divide. Yes. And then begin with the in the mind. Okay. How many centimeters in 1 meter? How many centimeters in his meter? What did you say? Yes, there is 100. So what should I do? Divide by 100. How many hundreds in 600s? Exactly. That's so clear and direct. 6. Wait. What if I asked you, Yamas, what if we said 740 as example, 740 centimeter equals to how many meters? Okay, we agreed that we will divide by 100. Okay, that's great. 740 over 100. Let's do it and remember together. 740 over 100. Do you remember? Do you remember lesson 12, 4, when we were adding different denominators, the 10 and 100, and we were converting them to 100 and then simplify? I'm just reminding you. Today we will just simplify. 740 over 100. Is 740 a multiple of 100? No, it's not a multiple, but I can break it apart to be 740. Miss, why do you choose only 700, not 710? Because what are the multiples of 100? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and so on. So I cannot choose, as example, I will not break it apart to 710 and 30. Doesn't make sense. So 700 over 100 or divided by 100 is 7. And 40 over 100. Do you remember how do we write it? It is 7.40 or 7.4. Great. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, guys. Now let's do some examples here to check. Which is more? Is it 1 centimeter or 7 millimeters? Okay, as we usually do, begin with the end in mind. What do I know about centimeters and millimeters? I know that 1 centimeter equals what? 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So definitely, which one is greater, 1 centimeter or 7 millimeter? Exactly, 1 centimeter. Well done. Okay, next question. Oh, well done this time. Which is more, 1 meter or 164 centimeter. Again, we are going to begin with the end in mind. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, but this is not what do I need? I need the relationship between 1 meter and the centimeter. This is the fact between centimeter and millimeter. Okay, so I know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. The 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So which is more, the 1 meter or the 164? Definitely, yes, you are right, the 164, because 1 meter is only 100. Yes, you are. Okay. Which is more, 1,000 meter or 1 kilometer? Again, let us to begin with the end in mind and to continue our pyramid. What do we know about 1 meter and 1 kilometer? We know that 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meter. Kilo means thousand. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So which is more? Exactly. This is so clear, and like they are, the 1 kilometer is more. No, the 1,000. Also no, they're equal. Are you sure? That's great. Great work. Okay, which is more, the 1 meter or 100 or 321 millimeter? Again, begin with the end in mind. What do I know about the 1 meter and the millimeter? Okay, I know, Yamas, that 1 meter is 100 centimeter, but I want it in millimeter. Oh, I know that each centimeter is 10, so I'm going to multiply the 100 by 10 to get 1,000 millimeter. 1,000 millimeter. Do you want to tell me that 1 meter is 1,000 millimeter? Yes. Yes, I'm telling you that. Yes. So which is more, 1 meter or 321? 321. No, you don't agree. 1 meter or they are equal? Many are equal. No, you mean to choose 1 meter? Brilliant. Great. I will stop now. No, we will do this more one question. Which is more, 9 kilometers or 9,001 meters? What do we know? We know that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So what about 9 kilometers? 9 kilometers. Oh my God, my M is amazing. 9 kilometers equals what? Use the facts which you know. Ha, yes. 9 kilometers equal. Oh my God, what is this equal? How many meters? I know that each kilometer has 1,000 meter. So I'm going to multiply by 1,000 to get 9 times 1,000 is 9,000. So which one is greater, 9 kilometers or 9,001 kilometer meter? Exactly, 9,001 meters is great. Give it great. Okay, girls. I want you to uh, take a video. Okay, I want you to record a video while you are working like this, as I do, as I did just right now. While you are working, you are doing your classwork or your homework, and send me your videos via WhatsApp. Sorry, send me the videos through class Fusion. I will see it there in class Fusion. Let's back to our message. I recommended here more videos if you wanted to watch. And now it's time to work on solventship problem. Open 697, read the problem, read the problem, and use this table to help you. Let's start. We should spend only 5 minutes in this question. Find the length of the marker showing in both centimeters and millimeters. Describe the relationship between the two units. Okay, look up here. How long is this marker? How long? Before I measure, I wanted to ask you a question. What tools you can use to measure a length of the marker? Exactly, a centimeter ruler or a meter stick, both of them. Okay, and what are you asked to do? I wanted to find the length of the marker in both centimeters and millimeters. That's right, that's right, right, right. Okay, and where are centimeters shown in the ruler? Where is the millimeter? Yes, the centimeters are showing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. The millimeter is showing here these tiny lines 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Miss, why do you say skip counting by 10? Because 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and so on. Great. Okay. So all of you, now you stop the video, find the length of the marker, then come back to the video. Okay. Welcome back. Now, now, okay, guys. Have you found the length of this marker? Let's check if your answer is correct or not. Our friend said the marker is 12 centimeters. What about your length? Is it correct? Is it the same? Great. The marker is 12 centimeters. That's right. And because each centimeter has 10 millimeter, so it's 12 times 10, 120. 120 millimeter. That's right. Great. Okay, so to conclude, the process of converting metric units of length is the same as converting customer units of length. Yes, the same. The process is the same. How? Why it is the same? Because we need to multiply to convert a larger unit to a smaller unit when solving the measurement problems involving the customer units of length. We need to multiply and we need to divide if I'm going to convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit. Okay. I will leave you now to continue from step number 3 till the end of the lesson plan. And I am waiting for you to send me your reviews and your comments on Class Dojo or down this video here on YouTube. It's up to you, okay? But don't forget to assign the time for yourself, okay? And don't forget also to record a video for yourself while you are working. I am really, really, really can't wait to see you guys. I wanted to see your videos. Okay. Continue with the lesson plan and show me your work. See you.